All right, little baby, big old head like this. Looking nice. He started off at the top there, and he's got some funny little ears right about here, doesn't he? And about there. Looking very cute. Let's do the inside of his ear a little bit like that. All right, now we can continue his head all the way around like this. Really just a big old football looking head. All right, this is looking nice. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna line up the eyes here with some eyebrows. Right there. And another one right there. When you've got that, we can draw his eyes. Big circles like this all the way down. And the same on the other side. There we go. And we're gonna make him look a little evil today. So let's draw his eyelids there and there. Just make them off slightly like that. Same on this side. Perfect. And little pupil here like that. And another little pupil on this side like that. We're looking nice. And Stewie's got just a little pointy nose like that. That's right, and we'll give him a smirk for a face on his mouth. There we go. Little chin. Very nice. Let's not forget his hair. He's got some funny looking hair, doesn't he? Kind of combs around like this. There we go. Very nice. Get all that like this. Perfect. Stewie's coming along. Now what we can do is start right about there with his first arm. We're gonna come around like this. And then over here we're gonna draw his other arm. Come around like that. There we go, very nice. And we're gonna join this all up. Just like this. And another line down like that. And the same on the other side here. We're gonna join this up here like this. Very nice. And we'll put this one hand, one over the other, like this. 3 fingers for Stewie. And then on the other hand, we'll do the same here. 1, 2, and 3. Very good. And join them all up like that. Looking good. Now, Stewie wears overalls. So let's draw him some overalls right about here. This is looking nice. And that. All right, and the straps come down. There. There. And let's button them up like that. Looking nice. Let's give him a little belly bit here. Looking sweet. And now his bum can come down here like this, and his tummy on this side like that. Let's get his legs in here. 1, 2, and now his shoes pointing this way. 1, and his other shoe like this. 2. Very good. His pant leg can come up like this, and a little belly bit there. All right, everybody. Stewie's looking good. Now we can get to the color. Thanks, everyone. Stewie's got red pants, a yellow shirt, blue shoes, and then his skin color. Thanks, everyone.